Welcome back again. The game question is if this point is equidistant to P and R, this is equidistance again, like Q here and P and R other side, you have to find the value of X. And after finding that, you have to find QR and PR. So first of all, we'll take a diagram properly. Let's take a look. Let's take a diagram properly. This is a point Q 0, 1, which is at equidistance with the two other points, that is 5, minus 3 and x, 6. What does this is diagrammatical approach, but mathematically what he's saying, QP and QR are equal, that is equidistance is talking about. So I put a root on either side. So this is 5 minus 0 whole square, I'm talking about QP, plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. This is all about QP. Then right side, x minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. Now do the squaring on both sides so that I will remove the root. So I remove just a root, not this is square and root. Only the roots on both sides will go. So x minus 0 means it is x square plus 6 minus 1, 5 square is 25. And here also 25, and here you will get 16. So here x square, I would like to find this 25 and 25 gets cancelled, then x square is equal to 16. So you can write x is equal to the perfect square root. Perfect square 16 is 4. So plus or minus 4. Case 1, if x is equal to 4, the point R is 4, 6. Case 2, if x is equal to minus 4, it will become minus 4, 6. I like to find the distance of QR. The QR, you already know the Q point here. So you will get 4 minus 0 whole square and 6 minus 1 whole square. So you will get 16 plus 25. 16 plus 25 is say 25 plus 10, 35 plus 6, 41, root 41. Now about PR, the PR will be, P to R will be, P is here, 4 minus 5 whole square plus 6 minus in the formula plus 3 whole square. So what about the answer here? Then you will get 1 plus 81, right? 9 square is 81, that is root 82. That's all about PQ and QR. It is not yet done. Case 2, you try it. If x is equal to minus 4, then the R point changes as minus 4, 6. Again find out QR and PR. There will be a change or it may not be changed. You can try and check. Last question in the exercise, find the relation between x and y such that the points x, y is equidistant to it. Equidistance concept, same diagram, point x, y is equidistant to two other points. Let me name it as 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. So this is diagrammatical approach. As usual, if you go for mathematics, PA equal to PB. I put a distance formula on either side. So you'll get x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Always remember the variable to be written first so that you will not have any confusion. Now I go for the PB in the root formula. X minus the formula, minus 3 is there, so plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. As usual, I'll go for the squaring on both sides. The roots will be cancelled on either side. Again, remember, not the square and root, only the roots are cancelled. Now, when I expand to the left side, this one, I have got x square minus 6x plus 9, a minus b whole square. The same way, y square minus 6 2s are 12, y plus 36. What about the right side? X square plus 6x plus 9. And then y square minus 2 4s are 8, y plus 16. Now I can cancel this x square and y square on either side. See, I cannot cancel 6x and minus 6x. These both are having different sign. So let us simplify further. We will get minus 6x okay, sorry, and let me write the variables first. Minus 12y, which is the variables here on the left side, and 9 plus 36 is 45. What about the right side? You have 6x minus 8y, and then you have a plus 25. It's always a good practice to write the equation with a positive term. So minus 6x will come to this side. That means I put 0 here, and I will take all the terms to the right side. So I'll get 6x plus 6x minus 8y here, and then bringing here plus 12y. 25 here, bringing 45 from there, so minus 45. Now what is 0 equal to right now? This is 12x plus 4y minus 20. I can take 4 common here. I will take 4 common. So I get 3x plus y minus 5. So finally your relation is 3x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. That's all.